गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम एवरीवन। सभी का दिल के गहराई से स्वागत है। सभी बच्चों का और दर्शकों का भी स्वागत है। आज आप जैसे देख रहे हैं, हम लॉगरिथम के बारे में सब कुछ देखने वाले। 11th और 12th के जो भी बच्चे हैं, उनको जो ही न्यूमेरिकल्स है वो लॉगरिथम की सहायता से सॉल्व करने पड़ते हैं। आज वही लॉगरिथम, वीडियो जरा लंबा होने वाला है, आप अंत तक देखिए, पूरा देखिए, आपका लॉगरिथम का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा। लॉगरिथम क्या है वो देखेंगे। Then how to see log in a log table? Basically use of log table, ये अपना वीडियो का मकसद है। एंटी लॉग कैसा देखना। वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ लॉगरिथम। फर्स्ट वी मस्ट नो व्हाट इज द लॉगरिथम। Logarithm of the number is a power of base rise up to that number or to achieve that number or to obtain that number. What it means, suppose that this is the b is a number. We are going to find out its log. Log always has the two fundamental quantities attached to it. One base and after that its logarithm. Suppose that its logarithm is m. Then what is the logarithm? Logarithm of the number, here logarithm of the number b is m. What it means, that means we can understand what is a logarithm. Logarithm is a power. Logarithm is a power of base to achieve the number whose log we are going to find out. Suppose that number a, and if its power is m, it is equal to b. इसका मतलब ये है कि किसी भी नंबर का लॉगरिथम, यहाँ एक नंबर है, इट्स ए रियल नंबर, इट्स ए पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर, माइंड में बी का लॉग जब हमें देखना है तब बेस कंसीडर करना होगा। बेस इज आल्सो द रियल एंड पॉजिटिव नंबर। बेस की कौन सी पावर हमें इस नंबर तक पहुंचाएगी? दैट्स मीन्स m is the power of base to achieve that number. That means this is the number whose logarithm we are going to find out. This is base, this one is a logarithm of that number. Suppose that we have the number 100 whose log we are going to find out. Base 10. अब हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि 10 की कौन सी पावर है जो हमें 100 ऑब्टेन करके देगी। हियर इज 10 पावर 2 is equal to 100. That means this 2 is a log of 100 to the base 10. This 2 or 2.0000. This is the meaning of the logarithm. Logarithm base may be different one. For example, widely if we take log of 8 to the base 2, what it's log of 8 to the base 2, ढूंढना पड़ेगा। Base has which power which let us to bring out 8. Here that power is 3. What it means? Log of 8 to the base 2 is 3. Log of 8 to the base 2 is 3. Commonly we are use two type of logarithms. Logarithm to the base e, log to the base e, exponential log. It is generally used in scientific equations in physics, chemistry, math and so on. But for the calculation we must have to use log to the base 10. Both are related to each other because exponential has the value 2.303, so that we can say that log of any number x to the base e is equal to 2.303 log of x to the base 10. This is the value of exponential, and if we want to make a bridge between them to the base e to the base 10, we must use 2.303. During example we can do that. Logarithm concept we are going to use specially to the log to the base 10 for our calculations, because it is simple. Here we see that log of 100 to the base 10 is 2, log of 1000 to the base 10 is 3. This is general knowledge, but for other numbers which are complicated cannot be find directly using the power, so that we have to use the table for it. When we want to see the logarithm of any number in the log table, we first must know that character number of that number. This is the first step. What it means, character number means we have to convert that number in the form of power of 10. For example, we have 2500. We want to find out its character number, then we have to convert. We must convert this number in the form of power of 10, 2.5 into 10 raised to 1. What it means? We adjust decimal point such that it is after one digit, and remaining factor of that number is converted into the 10 raised to power. That means 2.25 is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to 1. Here we see that power of 10 which is multiplied to the 2.5. That means this number is converted such that decimal point is always after the one digit, meaningful digit, real number digit. Now 10's power is 1. This is the character number of 25. If we have 4203, I can convert this number as 4.203. Decimal point shifted from right to left, so that power 1, 2, 3, 10 raised to 3. Character number right here is 3. We have the number 825. Here character number is 825 into 10 raised to 2. Character number is 2. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. This is any number. We must have to find out character number. Now, to convert it in the form of number such that decimal point is after single digit. Here is the digit is here. Here we see that 1, 2, 3 and 4. We jump through the 4 numbers, so that it is equal to 3.4678, and jumping is 10 raised to 4. Right to left jumping, that's why power of 10 is positive. Don't bother about this number, power of 10 is 4. In a similar manner, we have any number 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 5. First of all, we must bring out character number. Decimal point is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We jump through 8 digits from right to left, so that it is equal to 1.2367891 5 into 10 raised to, jumping is throw, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 10 raised to 8. Simple character number is 8. That means we must convert given number in the form of multiplication with 10 power of 10, and your digit must be after, decimal point is must be after single digit number, single real number. Suppose that we have the number which is already in the power form. For example, 25 into 10 raised to 3. This is our number given to us. We are going to convert it like this, 2.5 into 10 raised to 4. Character number is 4. Suppose that we have the number 321 in our example, 0.2 into 10 raised to 4. We have to shift decimal point through 1 2. Our number is 3.212 into 10 raised to 4 plus shifting through 2 digit 6, and our character number is 6. That means we have any number in the form of multiplication with 10th power, or in any form we can bring out the character number in this way. But sometimes numbers are in another form. Suppose that 1.00, it can be written as 1.00 into 10 raised to 0. That means its character number is 0. If we have the number 2.342, it is 2.342 into 10 raised to 0, because 10 raised to 0 is always equal to 1. 10 raised to 0 is always equal to 1, so that this number remain as it is. That's why character number is 0. For any number it is true. Suppose that we have the number 8. 8 is equal to 8 into 10 raised to 0. That means we have again that if the number is single digit or decimal point of the single digit, character number is always equal to 0. But suppose that our number is like this, 0.2, then we can convert it in such a way that 2.00 into 10 raised to minus 1. This is the conversion. That's why character number is minus 1, but we always write minus 1 in this way, 1 bar. Always use negative sign at the top of that number. Okay. Suppose that we have the number 32. We must convert it in this form, that is 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 1. Once again, character number is bar 1. That means if there are numbers in any form, but if numbers start after immediate after the decimal point, we have the character number is 1. That's why it doesn't matter if this number is like this, 3, 4, 2, no difference will be there. Number remain as it is, 10 raised to power remain as it is, bar 1 is there. But suppose that our number is not 5, 1. Now difference is there. We can convert it into 5.1. During this conversion, we shift decimal point through 2 digit from left to right, so that this is equal to 10 raised to minus 2. Character number is bar 2. If we have the number 0.006, we can write this as 6.00 into 10 raised to, which is the power. We are going to convert through 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 raised to minus 4. Minus because small number get converted into the large number, or decimal point shifted from left to right, so that its character number is bar 4. In this way, you take any number, point nod 3169. Once again, it is equal to 3.169. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 raised to minus 4. Character number is 4 bar. Simple. That means you can take any number. Suppose that number is like this. 2.31 into 10 raised to minus 4. This is the simplest way. I mean, write it as it is. 2.31 into 10 raised to minus 4. Character number is bar 4. Or we have the number, just wait, I think you understand it. If we have already the number like this, 25 into 10 raised to minus 3, how we convert it into the exponential form? 2.5, mind well, 2.5. In this number, we shift decimal point from right to left through one number. Right to left through one number. That means it is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. 10 raised to minus 2. Character number bar 2. We have the number 411 into 10 raised to minus 6. We convert this number such that decimal point is after single digit. 4, 1, 1. For that, we shift decimal point, which is right here. 1, 2. Plus, but this shifting is from right to left. So that this is a positive shifting, plus 2 minus 6, 10 raised to minus 4. So that character number is bar 4. We have the number 32.16 into 10 raised to minus 11. This is our number. Here, once again, we can write this number 3.216 into 10 raised to. Now 10 raised to power, when we are going to write it, must consider the shifting from right to left through one digit right here. So that 3.216, this shifting indicates one positive power, minus 11 plus 1 minus 10. Character number 10 bar. If we have the number, any number, we are going to take the random number now. 0.0032. We can see that we have to shift from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. Bar 4 is our character number. We have the number 1. We have to shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 into 10 raised to minus 5. Bar 5 is its character number. Any number 41962 into 10 raised to minus 4. If this is the number, convert it in the form 4.1962 into 10 raised to. We shift decimal point from right here 1 2, 3, 4, but it is plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4, 10 raised to 0, character number is 0. That means we must convert number such that it represent its number after single digit and other its power in the form of 10 raised to number. It may be plus, minus, you have to convert this number in this form and then write character number. That means character number of any number can be written as, suppose that this is the 1. We can write 1 into 10 raised to 0. That means character number is 1 is 0. Anyone say that what about 0? 0, log of 0 is not defined. It is not useful, or it cannot be defined. It is invalid for that. So that log of 0 is an invalid function here. So that we never going to use it. We use only the numbers which is in this format. That means real number and positive numbers. For that, power may be negative because 10's power may happen anywhere due to the structure of this number. I think you understand how character number can be obtained of the given number. This is the first step. This is the first step of seeing the logarithm of any number. Next step, we must know what is the approximation. ये देखिए लॉग टेबल में आप 4 ही नंबर का लॉग देख सकते हैं, इसलिए नंबर आपका कितना ही बड़ा हो उसका उस नंबर, सपोज दैट दिस नंबर इज राइट हियर, वी मस्ट हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इन द नंबर सच दैट it indicate only the 4 number. What about the accuracy? Accuracy already compromised in log table. This is not highly accurate. It is not 100% accurate formation of calculation, but it is allowed to the 11th and 12th class. So that that phenomenon work according to that way. That means 4 digit is also number used in a log table. That's why next part is approximation. Before approximation of the number, we must know its character number. Once again, we use the table like that. Suppose that number, character number, and approximation. And then its log. Suppose that 25 is our number. Character number is 1. Approximation is 25. How to see logarithm in log table? There are rows and columns. At the top, row is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mean difference once again 1 to 9. You can see in picture to the corner. And columns are 10, 11, 12 up to the 100. Here our number is 25. Directly go to the 25. In log table, as a 25 as to 0, that is 3979. 3979. This part is known as mantissa. This part, mantissa plus character number gives us the logarithm. Mantissa always right after the decimal point. Mantissa is always right after the decimal point. It is 3979. And logarithm, final logarithm is an addition of mantissa and character number. So that our logarithm is 1.3979. Mind well, mantissa, only mantissa is 3979, which can be seen in log table. This is the mantissa, always written in this form. That means logarithm is an addition of logarithm is equal to character number plus mantissa. This is your final logarithm. That means this mantissa and this character number gives us a logarithm for any number. Suppose that we have the number 253. Character number as usual 2. Character number is right here 2. Mantissa approximation remain as it is 253.00. Where approximation changes we are going to see. Our logarithm is mantissa is 4031. 4031. Add character number into it 2 point. Suppose that we have the number 25. This is the number 25. We must see first column 25. After the next column, that is the column of 3, that is 4031. 4031 and mean difference column, fourth digit 2 is mean difference column 2. Add both. 4031 plus 3 is 4034. 4034. You can see log table in a corner. You can understand it better. 40253. 25 as to 3, 4031 and mean difference. 25 row and third column meet each other at the point 4031 and add the mean difference of that of 2. That column indicates in front of 25 is 3. 4031 plus 3 is 4034. 4034. 4034. Character number here is 3. Approximation up to the 4 number. Don't bother about it. 2532. Meaningful real numbers are 2532. Approximation remain as it is. Our mantissa is 4034. Now add character number and mantissa. We have logarithm is 3.4034. This is number, this is its logarithm. Here is the character number, here is the approximation. We cannot understand approximation completely. We can see next examples. Here is the logarithm. Our end point is right here. Suppose that we have the number 25322. 25322. This is our number. Character number is correct 4. After that approximation is mind well approximation. We focus on the 5th digit. If this 5th digit is less than 5, instead of that number write 0 here. 25320. This is our number. Or you can write it as 0.00. Doesn't matter. 2.320.00. Fifth number, if less than 5, instead of that you can write 0. So that 2532.00 its approximation. And its character number is 4 and its mantissa is as usual. There is no difference. Character 4034. And character number add into it. This is the mantissa. Character number is 4. Add into it. That is 4.4034. This is the number. But suppose that we have the number 25327. character number is 4. Now in this process, approximation can be made focusing on the fifth digit. Now your fifth digit is 5 or greater than 5. You can add 1 into the fourth digit, and instead of this you write 0. That means 2 5 3 3. Instead of 7, I am going to write 0. After that, and now Mantissa 25 as to 3 as to 3 3 3 5 4 0 3 1, and mean difference 3 में हमें दिखता है 5 नंबर, उसी 25 की ट्रेन सीधी जाएगी और जहां से थर्ड कॉलम आएगा वहां हमें 5 मिलेगा। तुम्हें पिक्चर में दिख रहा होगा ये दोनों की एडिशन करने की, एंड वी हैव 4031 प्लस 5 4036 4036 4036. As usual, our character number is 4. If our number is like this, 2 5 7 8 8 2 into 10 raised to 2. First of all, you must write the character number. Its character number 1 2 3 4 5. 5 plus 2 7. Character number is 7. Approximation. Focus on the fifth digit. We can see that fifth digit is greater than 5. 5 or greater than 5. Add 1 into the third digit. We have 2 5 7. Instead of 8, I am going to write 7 9 0 0 0 0. Then point doesn't matter. This matters. Character number matters. After that, your log get changed dramatically. 25 to 7. 7 4099. We can see that is 4099. 25 to 7, and to the 9 there is a 15. That means add 15 in it. 4099 plus 15 4114. 4114. Character number is 7. In this way, we have the logarithm of these numbers. In this way, you can bring out logarithm of any number. You can bring out logarithm of any number. For that, you must focus first of all number, bring out its character number, then if necessary make the approximation, and then see the mantissa, and addition of mantissa and character number finally gives you the logarithm. We have the number 25. Character number is bar 1. You know now the method to bring out the character number. Approximation. No need to make any approximation because digits are less than 4. Logarithm 25. We already seen that 25 is it 3979. So that logarithm 3979. Character number is bar 1. This is the logarithm. If we have the number, once again keep the number as it is 2 5. We have the character number bar 2. बार 2 अभी कैसा है वीडियो के फर्स्ट पार्ट में फिर से एक बार देख लो अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो गए हो तो. अदरवाइज बार 2 कैरेक्टर नंबर of this number is bar 2. Approximation does not make any more difference. 0 to 5 0 0 bar 2 3979. because 25 as to 0 is 3979. Suppose that we have the number 0.025 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is our number. Character number bar 2 plus power of 10 is bar 2 bar 4. Approximation remain as it is 0.025 0. Now your logarithm is now bar 4 3979. We have the number 0.025 into 10 raised to 3. This is our number. Number has any value. Character number, how you can calculate now? Character number 1, 2, 3. Bar 3 plus 3. Character number is 0. Our number remain as it is, doesn't matter. 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 5. 0, 0, 2, 5. 2, 5. Mantis of 2, 5 is again 3979. Character number is 0, so that you can write 0 point like. Suppose our number is 0.00025 into 10 raised to 2. Our major challenge is to bring out the character number. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 bar 3 is our character number. Now approximation remain as it is. 0, 0, 0, 0, 25, doesn't matter. Mantissa 25 to 0 is again 3979. 3979. This is the Mantissa from log table. Add character number into it. Character number is bar 3. That means we may have, suppose that one more number we have 0.200025003. Here character number is bar 5. Approximation 40000. Meaningful number start from 2 to 5. 0, 0, 5. Okay. Now 25. Mantis of the 25 is once again 3979. Character number is 5. That means here you can see that take a number, bring out its character number, make approximation if necessary, and see the mantissa, write that mantissa. Before that mantissa, decimal point is already there, and write the character number which you bring already in this column. Okay, in this way we can see the logarithm of any number. Few more example we are going to take. बच्चों फिर एक बार हम कुछ एग्जांपल लेके लॉगरिथम ये फैक्टर फिर से क्लियर करते हैं. Here is the first number is 20. Here we see that character number is 20 because 20 is 2.00 and we have to shift decimal point from right to left through one digit. That's why power of 10 is 10 raised to 1. That's why character number is 1. You can see that process once again. Approximation is 2.00. Approximation doesn't matter up to the 4-digit number. Approximation matter up the 4-digit number. If the number is greater than 4 digit, then 5th digit we have to consider it and add 1 or just reject it. It happens after the number greater than 5 digit. 5 digit or greater than 5 digit. So that here is a no matter of that approximation. Write it as is 20.00 is 20.00. Mantissa. Mantissa, you can see the mantissa in log table. Column of first column up to the 20 and after 20 to 0. That means row of 20 and column of 0 meets each other at the point 0.3010. Next number is 0. That means no part of the mean difference. That's why its mantissa is 0.3010. No matter you write 0.3010. Mantissa you can write it as 0 or not. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter 0 or not, because in addition it changes. So that 0.3010 is the mantissa. Our aim is to find out the logarithm. That's why logarithm is the addition of character number, and mantissa character number is right here is 1. 1 plus 0.3010 is 1.3010. It is the logarithm of the 20. Another number is 9. You can write it as also 0.09 or 09.00. One and the same. 9. Our number in a first column start from 10. That's why there is no question of seeing it into the 9. We have to see it in a 90. Not a 9, 90. That means when you are going to see the log of 1, you say into the 10. If 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40, in that way, log of 9 can be seen in a column of 90. So that 09 approximation is 09.00. Character number is 0, because 9 is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 0. 9 is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 0. That is 9 into 1. It is 9. That means this character number is 0. Mantissa of 90 into 0. First column of 0.90, 0, and second column that of 0 is meet each other at the point 9542. This is the mantissa of the 90, and logarithm is character number 0 plus mantissa is 0.9542. Third number is 411572.00. Character number is important here. Number goes to 5. And approximation. Now for the approximation we can focus on the fifth number. This is the fifth number. This fifth number is 5 or greater than 5. Then you can add 1 in the fourth digit. Fourth digit is 5. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. That's why it is 4116. Remaining number get converted into the 0. Now meaningful number is 4116. Character number already 5. 4116. You can see log of 41. First column 41. Second column, that's of column of 1, indicates in the similar row 6138, and into the 6 it add into it, and it is 6138 plus 6144. Our logarithm is mantissa plus character number, addition of both is 5.6144. In this way we can see the next number, that is 5013926.5. character number once again 5. Approximation is, here is the fourth number, fourth digit. Here is the sixth digit. Sixth digit is less than 5. So that from here you can write 0 instead of 6, write 0 instead of 5, write 0, and 51390. So that we have 513900. Character number is 5. Aim is 5139, 51101. Next one is the 9th. In the 9th mean difference column, in the same row of 51, we have 8. Add them. 8 plus 1, 9. 7109. 7109. In this way, once again mantissa is 7109. Character number is 5. Our final logarithm is 5.7109. After that we have the number. Now let's see, style of number is now changed, because we must know all type of numbers and how to see their logarithms. So that 2 into 10 raised to minus 9. 2 into 10 raised to minus 9. Of course, power of 10, if the number single digit number or decimal point of the single digit number, then power of 10 directly act as a character number. So that minus 9 is directly act as a character number. Here approximation is 2.00. Number has the digit less than 4. Don't bother about it. 2.00 directly, instead of 2 you can see it has to 0 once again. 3010. 20 का आपको जीरो में देखना है. दैट्स मीन्स 20 का जीरो में देखने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, कॉलम में 20 तक जाना पड़ेगा और उसके बाद का फर्स्ट कॉलम मतलब जीरो का कॉलम देखेंगे, वह आपको मिलेगा 3010. Mantissa is not a final logarithm, so that add the character number into it. Character number is bar 9.3010. Similarly, we have another number 3000 into 10 raised to minus 5. See here, 3000. That means 3 into 10 raised to 3. This is the conversion. 10 raised to 3 and this 10 raised to minus 5. Add both. Minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. Character number is minus 2. That means this number, character number is minus 2 or bar 2. You can say it as a bar 2 also. Approximation is 3000. Meaningful number is only 3. 30 to 0 is 4771. Is a Mantissa. You can check it. Or you can say in a car is bar 2.4771 is a logarithm of that number. After that 50,000 into 10 raised to 2. 50,000 into 10 raised to 2. Here character number of this 50,000 is 4 and character number for 10 raised to 2 is already 2. 4 plus 2, character number is 6. Approximation is 50,000 because meaningful number is only 5 other than 0 and about the 10 digit there is no complex, that's why remain as it is. 50 to 0, you can see in a log table, 50 to 0 it is 6990. Number is 6990 and character number plus Mantissa both at and we have 6.6990. There is also another number 3004.6. 10 raised to 2. Character number of this is 3 2s. 1 2 3. 1 1 2 3 and 2. It is character number 5. Character number 5. 3005 approximation. Why this is approximation? Fifth digit is greater than 5, so that add 1 in the fourth digit, so that we have 3004 instead of 4. Now we write 5. It is right here 30 का जीरो में देखने का और मीन डिफरेंस 5 का उसमें ऐड करने का. 30 का जीरो में हम देखेंगे, 30 का जीरो में 4771 एंड मीन डिफरेंस 5 का उसमें ऐड करने का. वो है 7 plus 1 is 8. We have 4778. 4778 is its Mantissa. Character number is 5. Here we can change it as a 5. Thus we see few more numbers how their log works. Few more examples are there how to see log. Once again, here is the number 0.002. Character number is bar 4. How you can check once again starting of the video how we decide it as a 4. Approximation remain as it is, does not change. Approximation changes after number greater than 4 digits. 0.002. Mantissa 20 in a log table. You can see the column of 20 to 0. It is 3010. Character number plus Mantissa gives us the logarithm. It is 4 bar 0.3010. What is new in this example? Decimal, after decimal point there are few zeros and numbers start, not only 2 but numbers after the 4, 3, 4, 5 zeros and like that. Another number is there, 0.05 into 10 raised to 5. Here we can see that character number 5 bar 2 plus 3. 50 approximation 50 0, or you can add so many zero, doesn't matter in that. जीरो कितने भी ऐड करो क्या फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मीनिंगफुल या तो 50 का जीरो में ही देखने का है. 50 to 0 6990. It is the mantissa 6990. Character number is 3. Add both 3.6990. It is our logarithm. Another number is 0.003 into 10 raised to minus 4. Once again, this character number is very important. Mind well, in case of process of logarithm, character number play the major role, and that's why carefully first bring out character number. Here it is, character number is bar 3, bar 4, it is bar 7. Approximations remain as it is, don't bother about it. 30 to 0, see in the log table, search 30, and very next column 30 to 0, it is 4771. Once again, we know that logarithm can be obtained adding both character number plus mantissa bar 7 4770. It is so clear. There is another number 0.008. It's in 8. 8 means we have to see in a 80. First bring out the character number, bar 4, bar 6, bar 10. Approximation remain as it is. 80 to 0, you can see that 80 to 0 is 9031. Add both character number and mantissa. Adding both, we have 10 bar 9031. After that, there is a number 0.034. Once again, story is the same. Character number is bar 2, bar 11, bar 13. Approximation remains same. After that, 34. Search 34 in logarithm table. In the first column, 34 is there. 34 to 0, that means very next column, number is 5315. Character number 13 bar 5315. This is the logarithm of this number. Complex, कैसा भी complex number हो, logarithm हम bring out कर सकते. After that, 61 10 raised to 15. 61 character number bar 2 plus 15. Bar 2 plus 15 plus 13. 61 we have to bring out the 61 7853. 13 into 7853. 61 column, in a first column search 61, and very next column, that is the column of 0, meet each other at the point 7853. You can also see this picture, one corner of this video. Please observe it and understand it and follow it for so many examples and carry on the same method. After, there is a 96518, 0.0096518 into 10 raised to minus 6. First bring out the character number, that is very important. Character number is bar 3, bar 6, bar 9. Approximation is required here. Here you can see that these are the 4 digit, this is the 5th digit. This 5th digit is greater than 5, so that in the 4th digit we add 1. That's why instead of 2 we write, instead of 1 we write 2, and instead of 8 and further numbers we write as a 0. That's why we has the approximation 9652. 96 का 5 में पहले ढूंढने का, 96 का 5 में पहले ढूंढा गया 9845 और 965 2 में मीन डिफरेंस देखने का, वो है 1 एंड उसकी एडिशन होगी 9846. मीन डिफरेंस का 2 का कॉलम सीधा नीचे आएगा, एक कॉलम सीधा इस साइड को जाएगा. ये दोनों रो और कॉलम जहां मीट करते वह आपको 1 मिलेगा. वो 45 में 1 ऐड करो, 9846 हो जाएगा. दैट इज द mantissa, एंड character number 9 bar into 9846 we have the output as a logarithm. Lastly, there is a number 0.02361 bar 7. Here character number 3, minus 7, minus 8. Approximation remain as it is. 4-digit number are there because these are the 4-digit number which is required to see in log table, and that's why no change in approximation. 2361. Search first 3729. And in one you in mean difference one column, and 23's row meet each other in mean difference, that is 2 is there. That means 1 in the column of 1 there is a number 2, add in it we have 3731. That means 29 plus 2 is 31. We have the number 3731. In this way we can see logarithm of any number. This is not the end of this part, that is logarithm. After this we see how to see the anti-log using the table. After that examples, and after the big examples, that means totally we cover logarithm in next video. That's why you please observe next video. For that please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon button. That's why notification will be there. So please follow video after it. Thank you very much to observe it up to the